Hi, my name is Katie and I study bees and wasps at The Ohio State University. Today we're going to show you how to use your insect net. In order to sweep for insects, all you need are an insect net and a jar. And my jar is made out of an olive jar, but any plastic or glass container will work. So you want to go towards the top of the vegetation, 2 hands on the net, and brush it back and forth, and then I'll flip the net. I'm allowing the mesh to hang over the side of the wire rim, and this will stop the insects from coming immediately out of the net and flying away. And then you grab the mesh so that the insects can't escape. You can also use your insect net to collect directly from flowers. When you're collecting from flowers, you want to wait for an insect to land on the flower so you have a visual of the insect. And then you're going to take your net and sweep top to bottom and flip it. You want to sweep top to bottom because the insect's going to try to fly up and away.